Hi guys, Anne Marie here, and today I am sharing the handmade Christmas cards that I received. I always do, or try to always do, this little swap on a message board that I'm on, and I get the cutest cards. So this one looks like there's some nice layering with die cuts, and it's so precious. I love it. Thank you, Mary Lee. All right, next, this one is by Scrap Creator. And it looks like she created some glittery scraps with this card. I love all the glitter. And then little stickles. And then these look stamped. So die cut, stamped, stickled. That's a lot of layers. Very impressive. It's sparkly. All right, this one is Linda's card. And it has a cute little cut apart card that's matted on some metallic silver or glittery silver cardstock, along with some enamel dots and pattern paper. I love that cross stitch look. Cute. All right, this one, it just has a last name on the inside, and I don't want to out anybody or use anyone's real full names, so I'm not going to say it, but this was really cute little die cut card with a banner, and look at the intricacy on that die cut. Very cool. It's so swoopy. I love that. All right. Okay, this one's from Kate, and it's got some embossing with clear embossing powder and die cutting and stamping. I love that effect. I have a hard time getting good coverage with embossing on textured cardstock, so I'm in awe. It's beautiful. All right, this one is by Lynette, and it's so cute. I can't tell. I think maybe the tag is pre-printed. And then she's popped it up on foam tape and added a little bow and put it on some pattern paper. Ooh, another glittery one. All right, this is by No Frills, and I love all the glitter. I don't mind it. I don't know. I know people complain about it getting everywhere, but I'm not that person. Unless you glitter bomb me, then sure. But this is fun. Oh my gosh, look guys. Okay, I'm thinking that the gold inside the stars is like stickles, but then this is all a die cut. And you know what? I wonder if she used like the positive and the negative, because you could totally make two cards with this. Although placing, you could just do it with the letters, right? I think that'd be cute and a good way to use this. Love the sparkle. All right, this one is by Pixinart. It has a cute little bird and some sequins. I love the mix of sequins. I love the metallic twine and the metallic snowflakes on the pink paper. Oh, and she's got silver cardstock too. All right, this card is by Pam, and I'm just, the stamping is amazing. I'm just super, super jealous because I can never make my layered stamping line up this well. And yes, I have a platform, but I just can't rock it like this. This is awesome. You can see that's got 1, 2, 3, 4 at least ink colors, and then she did some highlights. Very cute. All right, this one's from Shauna, and it's kind of funny because I used this in a Christmas card, and now I kind of wonder if I sent it to Shauna. That'd be awesome if I did. I love this teal kind of what's the word? Color scheme. It's like a little, with the teal with the cranberry, it's like a twist on the traditional red and green, and I really like it. And I love the gold. And then she did some inking too. All right, this next one's from Sonia. And I'm nice. Sonia said so. Or Santa said so, I don't know. Anyway, so we've got stamping, coloring. She did a hand-drawn border and some hand-drawn like a shadow under the Santa to ground him. Super, super cute. Okay, so this is from Karen, so some more stamping and coloring, but she also did some raised enamel touches. So there's, I don't know if that's enamel pin or some type of clear glitter, but the black, the green, the collar in his sweater, there's a lot of their noses. There's a lot of neat little enameling touches. And then the kind of pearlescent cardstock, and very smart to use some snowflake pattern paper for the background. All right, this one's from Jeanette, and she did foiling. Like, congrats. Because I'm still working on my foiling. Like, I enjoy doing it. I enjoyed the results I got last time I did it. But guys, I've really only done it twice. So maybe this will inspire me to do some more foiling. I love that look. And especially that it's with colored foil, because I tend to only use the gold and I need to branch out. She had some glitter cardstock and cute idea again for pattern paper for the background. Then the kind of focal element. Love it. All right, this one's from Duchess of Stuff. And there's some glittering of highlights. I can't tell if the back, like she put glitter glue on the back or if that's glitter cardstock. I think maybe glitter glue. And then some beautiful snowflake sequins and a stamped and inked tag. That's really smart too, because inking the edges is a great kind of quicker way to give a border than die cut and layering. And it's a nice flat card for mailing. So that's cool. This next one is actually a postcard, which is really smart. This is from Mel. And she's got this cute die cut frame, but then she pop dotted, it's hard to tell, but she pop dotted, raised up these elements. So the white makes a frame and then these are instantly popped out. So you could easily cut this from two papers, right? Cut it from this paper and white cardstock, and then just flip what you're putting in a card. So like she could have used the pattern paper, negative, something like that. And then these are stickers. So a little stamped or printed Merry Christmas, and then stickers that go with the collection. It looks like, yeah, it's the same little seal. Cute. All right, this is from Gem Girl. So she's got a stamped greeting at the top, a printed or pattern paper Christmas lights border, and this really, really adorable sticker. And then another strip of glitter cardstock. Makes it very festive. And, you know, I like my odd numbers, so I like the 3 lines. This one is from Spokane Mom. I love the gold. It's just a stunning card. So gold cardstock, gold spatter, gold heat embossing, and another gold die cut. Look at all that. That's gorgeous. And I love like the clean and simple type of cards, especially, you know, with these luxe touches of gold. It just really elevates it. All right, this next one is from Meow. Merry Christmas. So it looks like we've got some pattern paper with a strip to cover the border between the 2 pieces. And then a stamped or printed sentiment, some sequins. Very pretty. Love poinsettias. This next one's from Kaleidoscope, and I love the cats. And I don't know if the tag came with the glitter or if she added the little glitter touches, but it's a very cute kind of vintage retro looking tag, and it goes nicely with the rustic or distressed background. And she even tied a little cute little bow. All right, this one's from Glow 24. And we've got, it looks almost like a 4x6 cut apart card that has been die cut with a scalloped frame. Yeah, and then a gold pen, gold paint pen all the way around. And then it's on like a pattern cardstock background, and she stamped a sentiment on the inside. Very pretty. All right, last but not least, SMCL or Smickle, I'm not sure which, made this super cute Happy New Year card. And it's really funny. Okay, it says Merry Christmas too, but it's just very funny to me because she says inside, or she said somewhere, that she sent her cards early because she was worried they would get there late. And then they say Happy New Year. Girl, I didn't even get most of my cards out until after Christmas, so, you know, you're fine. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Mailing early, lest I forget. Yeah. Good on ya. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I love all the cards I received. Thank you for thinking of me. It's always really sweet and fun to do this exchange. I hope everybody had a good holiday season and is kind of easing back in and ready to go with all the regular routine stuff. And I'm just gonna, you know, hope for a snow day. All right. Bye.